What's the meaning of appropriately? Appropriately. Appropriately.
Appropriately. Appropriately. The term appropriately refers to doing something in a suitable or fitting way that is appropriate for the situation at hand. It implies using good judgment and making decisions based on context and social norms. When one acts appropriately, they are demonstrating an understanding of what is expected of them and are responding in a thoughtful and respectful manner. The result of behaving in an appropriate manner can lead to positive outcomes, such as gaining respect, building trust, and fostering healthy relationships with others.